there, I'm Addie. In this video tutorial, we'll go through how you can interact with the text and all the useful features in ReadCloud's Learning Toolbar, which is contained within the eReader. Highlight any word, phrase or paragraph from within a text and ReadCloud's Learning Toolbar will open, enabling you to interact with your eBook. Text-to-speech, copy to clipboard, dictionary lookup, add a bookmark, and create an annotation. Click the ear icon to have your chosen text read out loud, which is great for learning about the pronunciation of a word. Select the Copy to Clipboard button to copy the selected text to the clipboard on your device. Use the dictionary lookup icon to search an unknown term. The icon will only appear if you highlight a single word that can be searched in the dictionary. Next, the Bookmark button allows you to create a bookmark based on the highlighted text or on the whole page if you don't save any specific text. You can see a list of the bookmarks you've made by heading back to the bookmark icon in the header features. Finally, Annotations allow you to collaborate with other members of your virtual class cloud or coordinate personal study. To learn how to make and share annotations, please refer to the video tutorial Creating Annotations in your eBook. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. ReadCloud, the e-reading software used by leading schools across Australia.